Hi, I'm Dr. Marcela Moyano. I'm the Director of Communications of United International College. And today I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on the online campus. It's really, really important for everyone here at United International College to have the right UIC email address on your online campus. UIC faculty is only going to send emails to the right email addresses that end as uinternational.edu. So here on this tutorial, I'm going to teach everyone how to change your email address. So bear with me and just follow these simple steps. So now everybody is going to be able to have the right email address. So I'm going to share my screen, and then you're going to see how to do it. Okay, so here I am on the online campus, and it's very simple. You just click on your picture. Once you click on your picture, you go to profile, you click on profile, you scroll down, and then you click on edit profile. You scroll down, and if you notice, my email address is still with the old unilatina.edu domain and that we changed. So I go ahead and change this easily to uinternational.edu. So my right email address is marcela@uinternational.edu. You should not have any Gmail accounts or any Hotmail accounts or any Yahoo accounts. Everyone on campus at UIC should have, or at United Language Institute should have, the uinternational.edu address. So you just change it there, and then you update profile, and it's just that simple. Then your address has been updated. And then you should be able to receive emails to the right address. And why are we doing this? Because in just a few months, we are not longer going to be able to direct messages from that old domain of unilatina.edu to uinternational.edu. So it's really, really important for everyone to make this change as soon as possible. And that's all for today. So just follow those easy steps and we won't have any problems communicating. Looking forward to our next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.